Welcome to St. Michael's Academy, Betia's e-learning class of English Grammar Class 5. So today we are going to do Chapter 4 Articles. In this video, we will do the explanation and the bookwork of this chapter. What are articles? Articles are used to indicate whether or not we expect our listeners to know which things or people we are referring to. Article help to indicate particular people things or people things in general. So there are two types of article, indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles is a and an, and definite article is the. Now we will see one by one. So first we will see indefinite article, a or an. Indefinite articles, a, an are the indefinite articles. So when we use a and an, when you mention a person thing for the first time, you are referring to people or things unknown to your listeners. You are referring to people or things which are general or not unique. When you talk about a common people or thing, we put a there. Example, look, there is a cat under my car. I am going to a party tonight. Would you like a biscuit? Use a or an when it's first time something is mentioned. So when we talk about people or think for the first time, then we put there a and an. For example, I met a smart doctor. I work in a factory in New York. I borrowed a pencil from her. I saw a movie. We use a when we talk about jobs. For example, Lux's mother is a doctor, Edwin is a pilot, Marcella is a dancer, Orlando is a butcher, Laria is a fashion designer, Jesus is a Shark Tank cleaner. Next is the indefinite article a is used before a consonant sound. For example, a dog, a pilot, a union, a teacher, a university. When hear a consonant sound, we put a there. Children, do you know consonants? Abstract vowels a, e, I, o, u, all the alphabets are consonants. Now next one is an. So a is used before words that do not begin with a vowel sound or words. But an is used before words beginning with a vowel sound or vowels word. So you know there are 5 vowels in an alphabet and the rest 21 are consonants. So as you know, there are 5 vowels in the alphabet, a, e, I, o, u, and the rest 21 alphabets are consonants. Written vowels are not pronounced with a vowel sound all the time. The pronunciation of these vowels differ according to the word. Words beginning with a vowels sound, like apple. It has a vowel sound and it's begin with a vowel word, a. So we will write an apple. Umbrella, an umbrella. So here there is a vowel sound and there is a vowel word also, u. Honest. Honest, here H is silent. So here O is a vowel word and here it is a vowel sound also. So we put an there. So it will be an honest man. Now second one, words beginning with written vowels but not a vowel sound. Like for example, university. So here U is a vowel word but it does not have a vowel sound. That's why we write a university. European. So here E is a vowel word but doesn't have a vowel sound. So we will write a European country. 1. O is a vowel word but it does not have a vowel sound. That's why we write a one-man band. Now next we will see the definite article the. Now definite article the, as you know, is definite article. When we use the, when we talk about a particular person or thing, or when the listener knows which person or thing you mean. As you already know that in a and an, the listener does not know about the person or thing, but in the indefinite article, the listener knows which person or thing we are talking about. For example, quite, here comes the principal. So here principal is a particular person we are talking about. So we put the there. Second, how did you do for the English test? English test, we are talking about a particular English test. So we have put the there. When we mention something for the first time, we use a and an. When we talk about any person or thing for the first time, we use a and an. But for the next time we repeat the object, we use definite article the. For example, I live in a house. The house is quite old and has 4 bedrooms. As we have seen here that when we are talking about that thing for the first time, like when we are talking about the house for the first time, we put a, and when we repeat that thing, then we put the house there. Second one, I ate in a Chinese restaurant. The restaurant was very good. When we are talking about the first time about the Chinese restaurant, we put a there. But when we are repeating it again, we put the there. I bought a car and the car is red. So here we are talking about a car for the first time. So we have put a there. And when we repeat that object, when we are talking about the second time about that car only, then we put the car is red. So next one, when the subject is unique, there's only one. Unique means only one. So we put the there. For example, the sun rose at 6:17 this morning. Sun is only one in the universe. So we put the there. You can go anywhere in the world. So the world is only one. So we put the there. Clouds drift across the sky. The sky is only one. It is unique. So we put the there. The president will be speaking on TV tonight. President is unique. Not everyone is president here. So we put the there. The CEO of the total is coming to our meeting. The CEO is only one and it's unique. So we put the there. The moon is so brilliant today. Moon is only one in the universe. So we put the there. We use the with the superlative. What is superlative? Superlative is a degree of comparison when we compare one person or thing with the rest of the person or thing. And with that we put the there. This is the highest building in the New York. We are comparing only one building with the rest of the building in the New York. So we have put the there. She read the best chapter of the book. So here we are comparing only one chapter with the rest of the chapters in the book. You are the tallest person in our class. So only one person is we are comparing with the rest of the person in the class. This is the worst movement to travel. We have the most beautiful beaches. So we use the with the countries that have plural names, kingdom or republics. For example, I have never been to the Netherlands. Do you know anyone who lives in the Philippines? She really loves the United States. She went last year to the United Kingdom. I'd love to visit the Czech Republic. So you can see these all are the countries' names with plural names. With the other countries do not use the. We use the with rivers, seas, ocean, deserts. For example, the Magdalena River, the Sahara Desert, the Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea. Note, never use the with lakes. We can use the with the famous buildings like the Taj Mahal, the Jama Masjid, mountain ranges, the Andes, the Himalayas, with holy books, the Gita, the Bible, with newspapers, the Times of India, the Hindustan, with oceans, the Arctic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, with seas, the Bay of Bengal, the Dead Sea, with rivers, the Nile, the Ganga, and with trains, the Shatabdi, the Rajdhani. So, we use the before something of which there is only one. If we are talking about only one thing, so here we can put the. For example, the moon, the sky, the earth, the world. It's only one in the universe. So we put the there. Quiz and self-check. Use a and the in each sentence. First one. Snama spoke to dash woman who had waved to him. So here woman is a particular person we are talking about. So we put the there. Second, my mother bought me dash expensive watch. So here expensive E is a vowel word and we are getting the vowel sound here also. So we will put and there. Third one, Cherry borrowed dash book from the library. So here we are not talking about the unique and a particular book. So we put a there. Now next one, Ali wore dash new uniform to school. So here we put a. Did you see dash new car which my father bought? We put a. Kiran is dash Indian girl. We put and here. So now we are going to do the bookwork of this chapter. A. Fill in the blanks with a and an. So what we have to do? We have to fill these blanks by using a or an. So as you know that a goes with consonants and an goes with vowels. So now all of it done for you. B. Insert articles a, an or the wherever necessary. 1. Sun melts snow. Answer will be the sun melts the snow. Second one. Can you draw map of India? Answer will be, can you draw the map of India? Third, help poor and needy. Help the poor and the needy. Likewise, all of it have been done for you. C. Fill in the blanks suitable articles a and the to complete the following sentences. So what we have to do, that we have to use the article a and the to fill these blanks. First, dash sun so brightly on the little boy who was walking alone to school. The answer will be the sun, the little boy. All have been done for you. I hope you understood the explanation and the bookwork of this chapter. Thank you.